My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. Just under 24,000 miles on the clock, a diesel fuel type and automatic transmission. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats, which are all cloth. On our steering wheel, we can access cruise control and voice control, and on our screen we have navigation, driver assistance, 4 different driving modes, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put it into reverse, we can see that we have our parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. At the bottom we have our AC and heated seats on either side. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for your test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.